An ancient Latvian legend says that ferns are magical plant that blossoms for a very short period of time on the shortest night of the year, Jāņi, producing a very beautiful and very magical flower that makes everyone who sees it very, very happy. Of course, anyone who has learned basic biology at school knows that ferns don't blossom. They reproduce by spores. Therefore, when somebody on Jāņu night invites you on a quest to find a magic fern blossom, they much more likely have something very different in mind. It's sex. I mean, what can be more beautiful than wandering through tick-infested meadows with a partner who smells of beer and shashliks, with matching levels of alcohol in your blood, just to find yourselves making sweet love in wet grass, feeling wet and dirty touches of soil on every naked part of your body, serenaded by a song of 1,000 mosquitoes. That's magic right there. To avoid at least scratching your butt for 2 following weeks, try using anti-mosquito lubricant. Of course, having mosquito repellent chemicals in a lubricant would make it highly irritating on your genitalia, and soon enough you would look like a distant relative of a baboon. So therefore, this one doesn't have any harmful chemicals in it. It just makes you so fast mosquitoes can't land on you. Good luck.